7 common car noises and easy fixes that save you money. Squeaky steering wheel while turning. Don't fix the steering rack. Just replace the strut mount bearing. Cost around $10 to $15. Quick fix. Creaking over speed bumps. Skip expensive chassis repairs. Replace the stabilizer bushings. Cost $2 to $3. Noise gone. Humming on highways that gets louder. No need to check the engine or gearbox. Just replace the wheel hub bearing. Cost $12 to $15. Instant fix. Clunking when making U-turns. Replace the outer tie rod end. Cost $15 to $18. Steering feels smooth again. Thumping on concrete roads. Replace the shock absorbers. Cost $10. Problem solved. Squealing when starting the engine. Pour a little water on the belt to test. If the sound stops, just adjust the tension. Free and fast fix. Squeaky brakes. When pressing the pedal. Go to an open space and do a few hard stops. Often works without spending a dime. No cost, no stress. Subscribe my channel for more informative car tips.